Kicker 46 KMC3 Review. Why boaters can't stop talking about this marine audio beast. Music should make your journey smoother, not frustrate you with clunky setups or fading signals. Yet many boat owners still deal with unreliable systems that drain energy instead of fueling fun. Have you ever struggled to keep the good vibes alive when your audio gear gives up? Drop your worst boat audio horror story below. We're curious. Picture this: choppy waters, friends on deck, the mood building, then silence. Stress piles up as you fumble with tangled wires, weak radios, and mismatched equipment. Instead of enjoying the moment, you're the tech support guy on your own boat. Imagine if there was a way to lock in rich, crystal clear sound that just works, without adding extra chaos. The Kicker 46 KMC3 isn't just another marine stereo. It's the compact powerhouse designed to thrive where water, sun, and space limitations destroy ordinary gear. With a rugged IPX6 rated front panel, it shrugs off sprays, downpours, and harsh UV rays while delivering over 200 watts of punch across 4 channels. Pair your smartphone with Bluetooth, plug into the USB, or ride the waves with built-in AM/FM, WB radio. Every option is ready at your fingertips. The rotary encoder and backlit LCD keep control simple, even with wet hands or under blazing sunlight. One pontoon owner said installation was so fast, he was streaming music within an hour, transforming quiet afternoons into full deck dance sessions. Another boater highlighted the wireless remote, calling it a game changer for effortless control from anywhere on board. Here's one way this unit saved the day: a rescue volunteer powered tower speakers directly from the KMC3 during long shifts, while charging his phone at the same time. Keep reading. You'll discover the hidden feature that makes this little unit smarter than it looks. Performance is where the Kicker 46 KMC3 really earns its reputation. Marine audio experts point out its exceptional value and simplicity, praising the clear, punchy sound that holds up against wind, water, and engine noise. Influencers rave about the wireless remote, calling it essential for keeping the captain in control without juggling buttons on deck. Analysts highlight its compact gauge-style fit, a lifesaver for tight consoles where space is premium. One boating enthusiast reported, "It endured heavy rain and 2 seasons of sun exposure, still looks and sounds new." Users echo the same theme: straightforward installation, crisp sound, and a durable design that feels like a permanent part of the vessel. A frequent comment is relief: no more clumsy wiring or fragile components. Instead, you get effortless pairing, reliable performance, and peace of mind from the automatic shutoff feature that protects your battery. Which feature would save your day? Bluetooth freedom, remote control, or rugged weather resistance? Comment below. We want to know what matters most to you. See why thousands are calling this the marine upgrade that redefines fun on the water. Why wait to enjoy sound built for adventure? This is your chance to join countless boat owners who've already transformed their rides with the Kicker 46 KMC3. Act now. Units are moving fast, and every voyage without it is a missed opportunity for fun. Click today and unlock a surprise feature that keeps your music flowing longer, smoother, and smarter than basic gear. Don't just watch. Bring this on board and hear the difference where it matters most.